High Court Judge Navindra Singh today made several orders concerning the ongoing fallout at the Guyana Public Service Cooperative Credit Union, some of which were not carried out by the management committee. The judge ordered that Trevor Ben, the second name respondent, Patrick Mentor, the third name respondent, and Raj D.I. Jaggernaut, the fifth name respondent, perform the functions of the offices held by Karen Van Slytman Corbin, the 11th name respondent, Ruth Howard, the 7th name respondent, and Leslyn Noble, the 4th name respondent, until the hearing and determination of the fixed date application, which is set for September 13th. Senior Counsel Roysdale Ford spoke with members of the media following the conclusion of the matter today.
Be prohibited from exercising any functions of management in relation to the Co-op Society, Guyana Credit Union Co-op Society Limited. And the court also ruled that Mr. Trevor Ben, Mr. Patrick Mentor, and Ms. Rajdai Juggernaut exercised those functions of the three persons that I had mentioned. This was part of the court's approach to this matter, because since the court made its order about 9 months ago requiring that an annual general meeting be held in accordance with the order of court that the court made and in accordance with the petition upon which the court acted, a petition filed by hundreds of members of the credit union, the Co-op Society's management and committee of management acted in a manner that was in breach of the order, in contempt of the order, by failing to ensure that an annual general meeting was held in accordance with the petition. I will give an example. The petition required that the meeting have a virtual component of it, that members of the Co-op Society throughout the 10 administrative regions must be able to participate virtually and by a particular IT provider from the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, in accordance with the same measures and operating standards which led to the very appointment of the current members of the Committee of Management. They failed to put that mechanism in place.
Ford said that his clients are pleased with today's ruling.
I believe this is a very important step forward in the resolution of the matter and putting the credit union back on track. Whatever position you want to take about what has happened today, you must first look back at what has happened over the last 10 months of the life of operations of the credit union. They have acted completely in breach of the order. They have continued to operate the credit union in a manner that is not in keeping with the wishes of the very members. The petition was submitted in accordance with the requirements in the Co-op Society Act, and I and my clients are of the view that this is an important but first step in correcting what has happened 9 months ago, that sham process that was supposed to be the annual general meeting, in keeping with the will and demand of the members of the Co-op Society. So I believe that some time very shortly, the Co-op Credit Union will have an annual general meeting that will be in accordance with the direction of the court given last year.
Senior Counsel Ford said the ruling will not see Ben back as chairman, but Mentor, who is the present vice chair of the committee.
To clarify, Mr. Ben does not return as chairman. Mr. Ben currently have regard to what happened at the credit union and matters that led up to the court proceedings. The person who I believe will be acting as chairman will be Mr. Patrick Mentor. He is currently the vice chairman of the Committee of Management and vice chairman of the Guyana Cooperative Credit Union Limited. So I expect Mr. Patrick Mentor to assume that function.
Ben was forced out of office following a no confidence motion by members of the management committee.